All right, happy Sunday, everybody. So I wanted to jump on here real quick, make a video, show you what the kids are learning in school, and maybe if you want to help support them at home, that would be great. Just so you can kind of see how they're approaching it or how I want them to approach it. I sent home that anchor chart last week that has the 4 different choices of ways that they can attack it. If that's working for them, great. Let them keep doing it. But there's some kids in class that I think are almost ready for the standard algorithm, which is what the expectation is for 4th grade or by the end of 4th grade for adding and subtracting. But either their confidence is lacking a little bit or they're making little mistakes here and there. So on Thursday, I showed them something that I do that I think works really well and I think it'll help them. So on Thursday, what I was showing them is I think they should start by drawing 5 lines. Um, Prior to 4th grade, they learned about something called an HTO chart, which is a hundreds, tens, and ones chart. In 4th grade, we go up all the way to 1 digit from a million. So it's really not an HTO chart. It's more of a ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s chart. So this would be your ones column right here. This would be your tens. This would be your hundreds. This would be your thousands. This would be your 10,000s. This would be your 100,000s. The kids are more than welcome to go ahead and label it if they want at the top, whatever works for them. I don't require them to do that. I also tell the students, like, when other than comparing numbers in 4th grade, when we do any kind of adding or subtracting, you want to go ahead and go from the right side. Whereas, like, when you read from left to right. And that's the same way we read left to right with numbers. However, when we're comparing them or adding or subtracting, we're going to go right to left. So they're going to go ahead and take this first number right here, 149,896, and we're going to add it to 143,122. The way that I would recommend they start is they start in the 1 spot. They go ahead, put a 6 right there. Then they're going to go to the tens. They're going to go ahead, put the 9 right there. I know this, I'm doing it on my laptop with my mouse, so it's kind of not working the greatest, but you get the idea. Go to the hundreds. You're going to go ahead and make the 8. We'll move over to the thousands. We're going to go ahead, make the 9. That did not go the way I wanted to. Let me go ahead and fix that. You're going to make the 9. Then we go over here to the 10,000s. We're going to put our 4 down. And then we're going to go over to the 100,000s. We're going to put our 1 there. So we got 149,896. Then what I would recommend they do is draw a line. So that way they know they're separating that one number from their next number that they're going to go ahead and put in. Same deal. They're going to start over here in the ones. They're going to put a 2. They're going to go look at their tens. They're going to put another 2. That wasn't great. I'll erase that 1, 2. Do it a little better. Not much better, but there it is. We'll go to the hundreds. Go ahead and make the 1. Go over to our thousands. Put our 3. Go to 10,000s. Put our 4. Same deal. Let me erase this. This is not. Sorry. Put our 4. Then we go over to the 100,000s. We put our 1. So now we have 143,122 displayed. Then I'm going to go ahead and draw another line. So that way the students know that they're about to do some adding here. And this bottom row is going to be where their answer is. So, like I said earlier, we're going to start over here on the right side. So 6 plus 2 is 8. Go ahead and put it down. That does not look. Erase that, sorry. Go ahead, put kind of a sideways 8, but you get the idea. 9 plus 2 is 11. So I've been talking to the kids all year about how when we're working with digits, we don't ever use a digit that has 2, we never have a double digit. It's always single. It's always either 0 to 9. Once it becomes a 10, tens don't really exist for us when we're adding or subtracting or when we're associating place value, because when it becomes a 10, it regroups. So therefore, 9 plus 2 is 11. We can't actually put 11 down here. So like the kids know that they can't do that. They have to regroup at this point. So what they're going to do is you're going to regroup that 1 up here, and we're going to make this an 11. So that's our 11, but that's how we represent our 11. Then we do 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. Same idea. It's become a 10 in our world of digits. It's only 0 to 9, so we don't actually have a 10. So our 1 is going to go up here. Our 0 will go down there. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. Same idea. We don't have double digits. So we're going to do our 3 down here. Put our 1 up top. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. And then looking at the 100,000s place, 1 plus 1 is 2. So the answer to 149,896 plus 143,122 is 293,018. Hope this helps. I'll try to send more videos throughout the week and as we go and as I see stuff that I think the kids could use practice with, but here's where we're at.